Yeah, welcome to the Onion Collective. And this Sunday we are having our art charity event. And this month it's for the benefit of Bagung, who is a blind woman. I participated also here today with my 3D printer. People can come and learn about 3D printing and print things that they download. And it was also a chance for me to use as kind of as a deadline for my project. The robot is for growing vegetables automatically. So far I've built a rail and I have a little cart on the rail that can go back and forth. The next step will be to build a robotic arm on the rail, and after that I will use the universal tool mount from the FarmBot project. And what it can do is it can plant plants, it can water the plants, it can monitor the soil conditions of the plant. It has a camera so that can detect if there are any weeds, and if there are weeds it can remove them with another tool. I'm using my microcontroller and it connects to the internet. It can receive commands from the internet and make the robot go back and forth. I had to wire up a breadboard, find a nice little electronics lunchbox to put my electronics in. I'm using a microcontroller, a voltage regulator, a battery, and then a motor driver, an L293 motor driver that provides the voltage for the motor. Also, I've made a decision more of a hunch to use a DC motor rather than a stepper motor for this project. And the reason is really that the DC motors are cheaper than stepper motors. The stepper motors provide more precision and they're easier to work with in that sense, but I thought like I was a little bit cocky and thought I'll be able to use it with a DC motor. And for that reason I also use a rotary encoder. The rotary encoder feeds into the software where the robot is along the rail, and then the program uses that information to tell the motor to go back and forth. So this is a closed loop system. Finally I've gotten something to work, and it moves and it stops where it's supposed to. If you like this project, please like my Facebook page and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you for watching this video.